In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a loop page as a template in Microsoft Loop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any well-structured loop page into a reusable template, so you can spin up consistent pages in seconds and keep your team organized. All you need is a web browser and a Microsoft account. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Loop. In the results, choose the official Microsoft page titled Microsoft Loop Collaborative App, Microsoft 365. This ensures you're heading to the correct up-to-date entry point. On the Loop product page, click Get Started with Loop. If you're prompted, sign in with your Microsoft account or create one if you're new. Using your work or school account is often best for access to your organization's workspaces and content. Once you're in the Loop home experience, decide where you want to work. You can create a new workspace or open an existing one. If you're creating a new workspace, give it a clear name that reflects the project or team. Inside that workspace, make or open the page you want to save as a template. A good candidate is a page you already use repeatedly, like a meeting notes layout, a project brief, or a sprint planning page, with the headings, tables, and loop components you want to standardize. Open that page and look at the top where your page title appears. To the right of the title, click the three-dot menu. This menu holds page-level actions that affect the entire page. From the menu, choose Save Pages Template. Loop will prepare your current page structure, sections, text blocks, checklists, and components for reuse, so you don't have to rebuild it every time. When the confirmation or details panel appears, click Save as Template. If you see options to name or describe the template, use clear, searchable terms so teammates can find it easily later. Keep names short but specific, like Project Brief, Marketing, or Weekly Team Sync. That's it. The page is now saved as a template. The next time you create a new page in this workspace, you'll be able to start from your saved template and maintain consistency across projects. If you don't see the option right away, refresh your browser or confirm you're in the correct workspace and have editing permissions. Quick tip. Before saving, remove any confidential or one-off content from the page so your template stays clean. Keep placeholders like owner, due date, or goals to guide future use without carrying over old details. You've just streamlined your workflow in Microsoft Loop. Thanks for watching and happy templating.